We'll guide you through how to turn and convert a video into a live wallpaper on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and for whatever reason, you want to go and convert and make a video into a live photo. Perhaps you accidentally went and took it as a video and you now want to have it as a live photo. We're going to go and guide you through this. So here is one I have here that I want to go and have as a live photo. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this. So a live photo is essentially a moving photo. It's cool to have and we're going to guide you through this. So to go about this, we do need to go and get an app. So go ahead and open up the App Store like so. You can come to the bottom right and go and press search. At the top, press on the search bar, and the app we're searching for is called In2 Live. Go and search for it, and as you can see, here it is, In2 Live Wallpapers. I already got it, but you can go and press Get, and you can then go and open it up, just like so. Then what you can do is you can come to the top here, and you can go and select new project, and you can just go and make the full video into a live photo. So you can go and select that there. I've got it selected, and we can press add in the bottom right. And here it is here. So you can go and edit it. You can add text and other things as well. And you can go and adjust the length of it by tapping and holding the start point and end point as well. And then you can go and press share in the top right. You can make sure you select live photo, and we'll then press save to photos. Wait for it to go and complete exporting. And then if we come out of here and come to our photos, I'll swipe to it and I'm going to tap on my finger, and you can now go and see it's live. Now, if you want to go and make it as a live wallpaper, what you want to do is we're going to come and close out of this, press edit again and press the close. You need to go and press live wallpaper here. Then select the video you want to do it with. Now what you need to do is go and select the section you want to go and be the live, because you can't go and have the entire video if it's a live wallpaper, as there's a limitation in the length. So what you can do is go and drag the part you want to go and have, and then you can go and press done in the top right. You can then go and edit it to your liking, add text, filters and emojis, and then you can go and press share in the top right, and it's going to go and export it. Then if we come back to photos, you can go and see it here. So this is only a section of it. As I said, you can't have the entire thing if you want it as a wallpaper. Then you can press share in the bottom left, and you can go down and press use as wallpaper. Then you can go and tap it, and it's going to go and be live. It's then moving. It's that simple.